What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Y'all know what it is. Your boy JP comes out with another how-to. Today we have a 2005 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I think it's just a regular Cherokee. Go 05, they don't get Grand until later on. But anyway, I'm gonna show you how to take these doors out and take the door panel off and replace these speakers in the front. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, please consider subscribing, because this is the type of things that we do here: car audio tutorials, radio removal, certain installs, and all that type of stuff. Without further ado, man, let's go ahead and get into it. So this car has 6x9s in the front, 6.5s in the back. You don't necessarily need any type of adapter. I will show you the speaker harnesses that you will need with it, but I'm only going to show you one door panel, because once you know how to take one off, you know how to take all of them off. It's literally the same. First thing you want to go ahead and do is come up here, or come right here to the little pocket. Take that part out. We're going to have a Phillips head screwdriver right there. Next, you want to come down here. We have another Phillips right there, and on the side you're going to have another Phillips off in the back right there. Those are literally the only 3 screws inside this door. Everything else is held in by clips. So let's go ahead and take these out. So now that we have that taken out, what I've came to do is come up here to this little triangle piece. I want to take my panel removal tool and pop that. You see we have that yellow clip. We have all those clips down the whole door panel. So a little bit further down, you just want to go ahead and keep on popping. Just keep popping. Just keep popping. All right. Once I have this side out, it's pretty loose. I can just go ahead and try to pop the rest with my hand. And now all we have to do is lift up on the door panel, and the whole thing literally just comes down like that. And then you want to come up here to where the door handle is at. Ow! Hurt. Hey, y'all don't mind me, man. I know I'm ashy and I need some lotion, but you know your boy be working, so I don't really care. So yeah, we have one harness right here that goes to the this thing where it controls the mirror, the little side mirror. We're gonna undo that harness. All right, and then right here, this is for like the windows, the lock and the unlock. We're going to undo that harness. Now that we have that off, we're just going to set this down to the side. And we have 4 Phillips that's holding this 6x9 speaker in here. And then guess what, y'all? Take the whole 6x9 out. Press down on the harness, pull out, boom. Do that to the other side. Now let's install our new speaker. All right, guys, so we are here. We have a Kenwood speaker. Now, if you've seen me put speakers in cars before, you already know where I'm going. Get the speaker harnesses, man. It will make your install life so much easier. This right here is the Metra 726514 for Chrysler and Dodges. And as you can see, it comes with the white, with the space. It has the speaker terminals already on it, white for positive, black for negative. But guess what? We don't have to worry about cutting the harness. We don't have to worry about which one's positive, which one's negative, splicing in, anything like that. Doing this with one hand. And then guess what? I'm talking about, guess what, dude? We done. I'm gonna put these dude, we finished. All right, y'all, look, so as you can see, all I did was put the screws back in there, but literally, man, we are done. No brackets needed. Now, if you put your speaker on and one side is bowed out a little bit, it's just because this part right here is tucked in and it has like a little lip, a little cover on the top to kind of help the moisture to not get on the speaker. Just go ahead and put them screws in one at a time and zip, 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 and you'll be good. But man, I don't think it gets any easier than this, man. Like I said, use those speaker harnesses. It will take your install time down. I mean, this video is probably gonna be like 3, maybe 4 minutes long, and that's just because I like to talk. But if you found any type of value in this video, please hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment if you want to. The product links will be in the description, and the Patreon link, if you want to be a further supporter, that will be in the description as well, where we do the behind the scenes stuff, and you get a chance to win some car audio, some tools, and all that type of stuff. I'm gonna go ahead and drop a little clip in of the back speaker so you can see what they look like. But at the end of the day, man, that is pretty much it. So till next time, this your boy JP signing out, man. Y'all be blessed.